Rumors have recently surfaced suggesting that Microsoft is considering a significant acquisition bid valued at approximately $16 billion for Valve Corporation, the entity behind major gaming franchises such as Half-Life and Portal, and operator of the Steam Store, the leading digital distribution platform for PC gaming. Valve, known for its strong financial performance and dominant market position, primarily due to the success of the Steam Store, is estimated to generate over $10 billion annually in revenue. The platform's profitability and extensive user base make it a critical asset in the PC gaming industry. Valve's estimated market valuation stands at around $8 billion. Microsoft's interest in acquiring Valve is part of a larger plan to strengthen its foothold in the PC gaming industry and venture into the handheld gaming sector, areas where Valve has made significant strides with its Steam Deck product. If Microsoft were to acquire the Steam Store, it would gain a major source of revenue.
Slack trains machine learning models on user messages, files and other content without explicit permission. The training is opt-out, meaning your private data will be leached by default. Making matters worse, you'll have to ask your organization's Slack admin to email the company to ask it to stop. Welcome to the dark side of the new AI training data gold rush. Corey Quinn, an executive at Duckbill Group, spotted the policy in a blurb in Slack's privacy principles and posted about it on X. The section reads, "To develop AI or ML models, our systems analyze customer data, e.g. messages, content, and files, submitted to Slack as well as other information as defined in our privacy policy and in your customer agreement." In response to concerns over the practice, Slack published a blog post on Friday evening to clarify how its customers' data is used. According to the company, customer data is not used to train any of Slack's generative AI products but is fed to its machine learning models.
Samsung's software team has been busy lately. Alongside the regular monthly security patches, the company is pushing the One UI 6.1 update to eligible Galaxy devices. As more devices receive the May patch, the new One UI version expands to more models. It recently landed on the Galaxy A52, Galaxy Discover 6 Pro, Galaxy A15 5G, Galaxy A14 5G, Galaxy F54, and Galaxy M53. As of this writing, Samsung is rolling out the One UI 6.1 update to the Galaxy A52 in the US. The update is available for carrier-locked and unlocked units like other mid-range models. The device doesn't have any AI features. However, One UI 6.1 brings other new features and enhancements. We may soon step into the final week of May, but Samsung hasn't bundled this month's security patch with One UI 6.1 for any of these devices.
After over a 24-hour outage, Microsoft's Bing, Copilot, and Copilot in Windows services are back online worldwide, with no information released as to what caused the problem. The massive outage began around 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday and mainly affected users in Asia and Europe, making it impossible for many to access these services. During the outage, Bing.com showed either a blank page or a 429 HTTP code error. Slowly, services started returning, with DuckDuckGo being the first to work again, followed by partial recovery of Bing.com and Copilot. Microsoft's telemetry data showed a steady recovery, with ongoing investigations to determine the root cause. However, even today, users outside the United States reported being unable to use Copilot. At approximately 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Microsoft announced that Bing and Copilot services were fully restored, which we confirmed in our own tests.